Daylight. Hey, all right, so let me show you what's going on this weekend. We have several different things to talk about. First, tonight, it is dry. The clouds are thickening up, but we are not expecting rain tonight. Tomorrow is another rainy day, another one. We're going to have showers in the morning, and then it switches over to rain, and some moderate to heavy rain into the afternoon and into the evening. Now, Sunday is dry, generally speaking. There could be some snow flurries passing by, which I'll show you in a second. The story on Sunday is the wind gusts. We're looking 35, if not 40 miles an hour or greater. So if you are heading to the parade, that will be the biggest weather impact for you. And it will be chilly with temperatures in the 40s and the gusts of wind to 35. And then Monday, it is a windy day. Still breezy, if not windier than Sunday, but it will be dry and seasonably mild. All right, so let's put it all together. Here's your Saturday Futurecast, brand new Futurecast data coming in. A few showers early in the morning. The earlier you can get out, the better chance you're going to have of dry weather, because once we get mid-morning, here it is. The latest model brings the shower activity in. Hit and miss, but probably more hit when we get into the later morning and certainly afternoon, literally after 12. And then we get into the afternoon and evening hours, mid and late afternoon. And look at some of this moderate to heavy rain that will be pushing on through. Consider it a rainy day. You get some breaks here and there, awesome. But I would plan on it being rainy all the way through the late night hours until midnight, and then things start to taper off. I do not expect it to be actively raining on Sunday morning. When we're talking about Sunday, we're talking about the winds. But in terms of the rain, newest model is not as aggressive. We're thinking that general 1 to 2 inch range. This one wants to bring a little bit less, but either way, it is certainly going to be more than a tenth or 2/10 of an inch. It's going to be a rainmaker for you. Let me show you the winds. I'll let this map breathe for just a second. This starts with 6 o'clock in the morning on Sunday and goes all the way through 4 o'clock in the morning on Monday. This top line is the wind gusts. And notice this 30 miles per hour, consistently 30 miles per hour, going up to 40 miles per hour on Monday. And it's not like an hour or two as a front crosses. It's going to be windy for a couple of days around the area. So just plan on that. And so for your St. Patrick's Day parade, kicking off at 11 o'clock in the morning. Wind is the rule. Temperatures into the 40s, so layer up for that. The last thing I want to show you before the 7-day is the snow flurry activity on Sunday afternoon. With this, yeah, I know. It's a minimal impact for you, though, but look at right here. I'm going to pause this. These blips of blue, it's basically lake effect snows coming in from the north. Not going to amount for much, but if you're traveling, it could have some blinding visibility at times. And there you go. That's your weekend and into next week. And we are going into the 70s by next Thursday.
Wait, is that new? Can you go back, please?
What you talking about, Bill?
I did not hear snow flurries.
Rewind.
You weren't listening to what I said earlier is what I said.
Okay.
Because I got done, and you also asked me if it was going to rain, too.